Okay, backtesting every day on something profitable. Day 143. It's actually crazy, this number that I just keep saying each time at the beginning of my session. 143. I can't even believe it myself. Every day, 143 days. Crazy, actually. I want to backtest August and December again. Yeah, again, the reason why I'm backtesting only these 2 months is because I've already seen from a bit of data that my strategy doesn't perform so well in August and December. So now what I want to do is I want to get results from these months again and then make a conclusion out of this. And I want the conclusion to be that I should never ever trade August and December again, because it's that horrible price action. I've seen that before. So far, it shows me that August is still alright to trade. But December is just, again, not good, which is good. Like, I want to make a conclusion because I want to do this full time in the end. Or I want to do this full time. And then eventually when I am doing this full time, I don't want to be risking myself in months where my strategy doesn't perform the best. So that's the reason why I'm backtesting this specific session. And then, yeah, now in December, and probably after this, I want to do like two years more of data. And I think 2024 will be one of them. So, see where we're on the charts. Bearish, bullish. So still bullish. We're in this monthly gap here. Still all these weekly gaps as well. But I'm looking for bullish prices. Which even with this drop lower, it looks crazy, but yeah. We're about to inverse this 1 hour, which I'd like to see get inversed. Again, I changed the text, like I added the text to this. I don't know why, I just keep switching back and forth, but I like it with the text now, and maybe in a few weeks I don't like it anymore. So I think this looks really good. This supporting my bias, which is bullish. Until the draw on liquidity there, and then yeah, still bullish, even more bullish after that. That's the draw on liquidity. All right, so let's see what we have. I don't know what day this is. I should first do that. Monday 9:30, 6th of December. Oh, it's 2022. Alright, so no news. I skipped this. Look at that. We are not trading this day because we have no news. Kind of like a headache. Also have a sore throat, which is like I don't know if you know it. There's no one watching, but if you are, like, you know that sore throat you get that tells you, oh shit, I'm gonna get sick, I'm gonna get ill. Like I have that now, but hopefully I won't get ill. But everyone around me is getting ill, so it does make sense for me to also get it, but I refuse to get it, so maybe I won't get it. That's already taken, actually. Look at that reaction so far, that's beautiful. And then stage accumulation up here. I'll be right here. A really small daily gap here, which we didn't inverse yet, but I want to see it get inversed. I'm just looking for bullish prices. So in this leg here, what do we have? A senior 4-hour gap here. We don't have to tap it, but it is there. Just looking at the liquidity and structure. Take equal lows. We do have these highs here, which are really clean. Orchard, what's up, man? Congrats on the 2 Tracy's Let's Do Those. Thank you, man. It's cool that you're following it. Thank you, man. Yeah, so far it's a good beginning of the year, but yeah, as I said, I'm totally already prepared for what is it? Like, I'm not letting it boost my ego. I'm totally already prepared for probably upcoming losses next week. So yeah, that's just trading. Like, that's yeah, I'm totally fine with that. But so far it's been a good week. Like, yeah. Did you take any trades today, Orchal? So yeah, still looking for buys until there, which is crazy high, but still just following the trend. Nothing here. Looks really bullish. Looks good. We did have news. Oh, we don't even have news. Wow, my trading is. Go to the next day. Wednesday 10 AM jolts. And then, okay, from here, let's see. So, again, look at that. Monday, Tuesday, just expanding higher. And this strong liquidity. And then, even though I didn't trade on these days, still the market is doing what it's supposed to do, in my opinion. So let's look at structure or like singular gaps in here. 2 hour, we have nothing in here. We do have this range here then. Do we have 2 gaps here? Probably. Which on a 1 hour. And then it does look like we want to close below this on NQ. Don't know what ES is doing though. Busy here, busy here. We don't have a singular one. So I'm just looking at this range as like a tree as well. That we on a 30-minute, and we have to inverse this on yes to also look for shorts, which we closed above, and then if this closed below, I'm looking for shorts. So let's see with this, and this is the range low basically. So maybe want to put an SMT in there and then go higher, but I'm still looking for longs anyway. But we do have news as well, which is 10 AM jolts, yeah. So let's see. Looking at this as a mark make a buy model. I could mark these highs out later. I'll mark out this high. And yeah, why not do this as well? Stage accumulation. Stage accumulation. Alright, let's see. So 930 trades lower, which that's good. That's alright. Nothing here, waiting. Pretty nice reaction. Do trade lower. I do think we're gonna go for a low now actually. 10 AM news already released. Nothing here, waiting for more structure. There was no singular gap, so still waiting. No, I'm not trading yet, hoping to start before end of January. Gotta get more practice on my belt. Alright, man. Alright. And what are you doing now? Or also just tape reading, or also a paper trading? Have you ever tested your strategy during a London session? I've seen it work in London session, like looking back at it, but I haven't specifically traded London session. Or yeah, I have in, but that wasn't this exact model. Like it was just inversions. It wasn't this exact model. Yeah, I could look back at London as well. Then I would trade at like 3 PM. Like I could just spot my setup. I don't know if there's, I don't know what the buys would be in here, but let's see if I could just spot the setup here. Just looking at NQ and ES. 2 minutes. Singular gap here. No. Alright, nothing here. There would be nothing in here. Maybe a 2 minute there. No. And it's already outside of London. So London would be 3 to 5. I don't know what. Pretty curious if there was like a nice setup in London. Because the days without news were pretty nice. That's 3. That's London session pushing higher. I don't have a yes here. Where's the yes? Where is it here? So this is in 3. Do an SMT, could be, yeah, or above second stage distribution, disclosed above, so no entry there though. Nothing here, choppy, and this outside kills on again, so again no trade there. Look at Monday, and then I'll just go, I'll try I'll just try a London session the next day. Skipping to London session after this. I want to try. Where is it now? Here. No. Probably something here. No, I don't think there is. I think closure above would be all the way there. So far it doesn't look like there's an entry there, but just want to trade the AM session from New York here, and then after I'll skip to like a Thursday London session. Yo, Corsi, what's up, man? How do you record your backtesting data? Like where I take it, where I what is it? Where I journal it? It's in Notion. So I put all the trades here, and then I can see like how much winning trades on this day, how many break-even trades, and then I do it like for this, I think once a week now. Like I did twice a week, but once a week now, and then I look at data, and then anything that could be improved, anything like losses. Look at this, like okay, this is my setup, but what could be improved? Like I'm just looking at this because the buys would be at the moment like it's objective there, like this unfortunate stop, but just here, like there's. Yeah, so far I'm not really getting anything. It's just testing the strategy, how it performs in the months, but still once a week I check like what could be improved in here. Like I'd say like a bias was correct. I think there was a lot of accumulation in this range here though, but here as well. But yeah, it's just I'm just backtesting, no paper trading. All right. Why not paper trading, Orchard? Is Notion in the website? Yeah, it is. It's free to use. Everyone can use it. And then I also have this for not for backtesting, but this is also really nice to use for like journaling. Let's see what we have here. If we inverse it, that's an entry. Took out another low there. Yes, taking equal lows. Nothing here though, waiting. Okay, so this looks really zoomed in. It is an entry. I don't like the entry because we have a really, we're pretty close to the sell side here. Still the bias is bullish, set up forums, and yeah, I have to take it. Even though I think this is going to be a loss. Just looking at the price section, like I don't like it, but I could be wrong. If I was right every time, if I was right every time that me thinking, or yeah, if I think that this is gonna fail, and if I was right every time, then I would just be profitable just with my experience. But yeah, it's not that easy, of course. So just executing on my setup. Oh, I now failed. So break even is there on NQ, and then on ES break even that will be not even on here. So let's see. First TP minimum of 1 or 2, side 1 or 3. I think this will be first TP, which is the opening range high also. So I don't know. We'll see. All right, now you had a break even. Is it? Oh, it is break even. Okay. Really close to the stop there. Still didn't hit TP. Price action looks shit. We'll see for the go higher though. It looks terrible. Now should be the expansion. Still expansion. Like there's probably like some inefficiencies in here. I still think we're gonna go higher. All this liquidity up here, but also liquidity below. But still, like, what is the chance that we reverse? It could be December price action because we are in December, but who knows? And yeah, that's it. Wow. All right. Nice trade. So that's a 2.84 Rs for CP. But this, oh my god. Alright, put this on the top. And then this is full TP, which is a stage accumulation in this market maker buy model. And this is a trade in December, which is crazy. Because normally December isn't so good for me. But yeah, price action was kind of choppy. But yeah, that could be December. It still goes to the target, but just way slower. But yeah, sometimes it doesn't even go to the target, but still it did. But let's see if that TP gets hit there as well. And it did. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. Beautiful. And then equal lows was already taken on NQ. So that's just it. Like, I was thinking this was gonna fail, and I'm wrong. Like, that's trading. If I would be right every time, then I don't need a strategy. I could be trading off what I know. But yeah, models, objective rules, models work. Very nice. Gonna copy this. And then paste it in here, which is a W on a Wednesday. All right. Paper trading just means trading live market with fake money, right? Yeah. Do you trade full time? No, I wish. That's the goal though. Since I work during New York session, I have to trade London, and that starts at like 2 in the morning where I live. Just don't quite want to wake up so early since I'm not super confident yet. Do you live in like do you live around New York then? Want to wake up so early, something like that? Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, I get what you're saying then, yeah. And then have you tried like not intraday trading, but more or like not scalping, but more intraday trading? Works for others. So like trading on like market open, just looking at the market open here, then trading on yeah, on something in here. And then I mean on like a 50-minute, 30-minute chart. We have to check here. I think I am not even supposed to take that long. Yeah, well, okay. So I was in the long where? I was in the long right here. I think I'm not even supposed to be in that long. And then we closed below already. That's also like December price action, just totally going against what I wanted. Yeah, this is not, I was not supposed to take this. We do have a big wick here, but yeah, we inverse this gap here. This, what is it? This 1 hour here. Then we have 2 here on NQ, and then just 1 on ES. So this closed below at here already, 10 AM, or no, here already on ES actually. And then on NQ after 10 AM as well. So I'm not even supposed to take this. I'm looking for shorts, which is crazy. So I can just get back, and I shouldn't have taken that trade. I should have been looking for shorts. Doesn't mean I'm gonna be taking a loss because my sub just could be not forming there, but this is a strong liquidity, which is crazy. But yeah, I have to go back. I'm not gonna pretend like, oh yeah, the W trade, I took this, I should have taken this. No, just looking back at this, like this is something I learned from now again. I shouldn't have taken that W trade. Which, yeah, unfortunate. Looked really good, but wasn't supposed to take that. So after 10 AM, we closed below this BISI, which is holding price, which we closed below after 10 AM. So this is now drawn liquidity, and yes, it's the same thing. So that's also for yes, the drawn liquidity. So I'm looking for shorts, which here is actually my short. I don't know if this is gonna work. After 10 AM, yeah, okay. And then we didn't have any news, 10 AM news, but yeah. So again here, this high taken, 2 highs taken. That's the entry, stop. Break even will be at a 1-to-1, and I think this is gonna be a loss actually. And then yes, break even, that will be right here. All right. Yeah, it does look like it. Yeah, it's just a loss. Wow, okay. because this would have been my first TP, but it's not a 1 and 2, so we extend until 1 and 2. All right. That's just a loss, which is good. Like, I wanted the summer to be terrible for me. And then this, again, proves it to me. And what day was this now? Wednesday. Hello. Okay, show me you journal and save them. Yeah, what I do is basically I copy this in TradingView. You can do this in TradingView, FX Replay. I copy the link. I could, if you want this also, I can send you this one, and you could just adjust it, make a copy, and then use this as well. Like, for me, it works, and it's not the cleanest, but it works. And if you want it, then I can share it if you want. I live one time zone west of New York. I haven't really tried intraday. Don't think I would really be allowed to look at the charts during work, unfortunately. But it could be, like with that, you could be trading anytime. Like, it doesn't really matter if you take a trade in AM session or if you take a trade in New York session or somewhere else. Like, this could be, like, the trade could be forming here, like this, for example, like this, the inversion. And then we close above with like a tick above here. Like, this is, let's say this is your entry model. What's the time here? Oh yeah, this is New York session then. But still, like, you could make a, or maybe even bigger time frame. And then could look from here. But it is, like, I don't have experience with this, but that's what people are doing when they have a busy schedule. Like, they trade on higher time frames, so they don't have to really keep an eye on the trade. Like, you could just be trading, yeah, anytime. Like, here 6, and then let's say you have like inside of this gap here. It could be anytime. Maybe something for you, I don't know. You don't have to do it, of course, but maybe something, like, just an idea. So I would still be looking for shorts, and I think this again would be another entry. Oh no, that would be the break even, so no. And then I think I took the long somewhere here, and don't think there was another bearish setup here. No. And then this is that push to the upside. Yeah, so yeah, nothing for me there. Going to the PM session, I would I don't know if I would still be bearish actually. So we did still close below this, and then yeah, ES also. So yeah, I am looking for short still. And then that closure below an NQ, that was also here, and then we're about to close above again in 44 minutes. But for now, I'm still looking for shorts, which still also would make sense to me. Like, we have equal lows here. We'll see. A lot of clean highs here though. Let's see what we do. So looking for shorts. Take the buy side there. Do you want to have anything here? Huge push higher. And then probably it's going to be bullish again because of that closure. 1, 2. So looking at the 1 hour again. Makes this a reclaim busy. And yes, we are still below it, but bigger time frame bias is bullish, so that's why I just look at this as a reclaim busy. And then now the strong liquidity again is bullish. That's strong liquidity here. So let's see. Don't think it's going to be any real push higher, but we'll see. I have to take it if we do get one. If I do get it set up. Trading lower. Just looking at the structure. Did we have anything here? 2 minutes, 3 minutes. No. Waiting for a structure. So far, a nice reaction off that reclaimed busy. Trading in there with a wick. Alright, trading lower again. Nothing here. And it's just going to be outside my kill zone. So that would just be a day with 1 loss taken. And yeah, that will be that. Going to Thursday and only AM session trading there. I see you're backtesting 2021. How do you determine which periods to backtest? How long have you been trading? I just do multiple years. Like, I want to have as many years as possible to backtest and see what how my strategy performs in different kind of months in different years. So it's not like, it could be like my strategy works really good in December in 2020, for example, and then it doesn't work so good or as good in 2021, 2022, 2023, and overall all the years in December there. Then like for me, 1 year and then the months there doesn't mean anything. Like I want to have multiple years and see how my strategy performs in January, like every month, and then every year compared to every year as well. Could be interesting if I use a prop firm, don't take close to the trade at certain time in the day. Would be on futures, like wouldn't be on forex trading. If you trade forex CFDs, like FTMO for example. Do they have that? FTMO, what's it called? Swing trading? Do they have it? Yeah, here. FTMO, for example, like the biggest one, like it's compared to the top step. What's FTMO swing account? FTMO swing account does not have any restrictions for trading around news releases and holding trades overnight, above 2 hours market close, and over the weekend. But yeah, there are many which can do it. So you can hold on the weekend, or you can, like, compared to the normal account, you can hold during the weekend, you can hold during the news. Like, there are many types, and this is just FTMO. Like, there are many swing prop firm. Are there any good swing trading prop firms? I'm fond of the FTMO and use swing accounts. Yeah, but then you would be trading CFDs or forex, but it wouldn't really matter with it wouldn't really matter with like spreads. And for example, like if you trade on a bigger time frame, like it's not gonna matter if you are put above like a few pips higher. Like that doesn't really matter. Yes, can I have that one, please? Of course, man. If you, I don't know, any other reason too, like it's not or what is it called? To lure you into the Discord. But if you join the Discord, then I could share it in there, man. It's in the link in the description of mine. Yeah, what's up, Selby? What's up, man? I'm gonna try to pronounce the name. Hopefully, I don't say it wrong. Nuradin. What's up, man? How are you? How long have you been trading? I've been trading for 1.5 years now, so I see. Definitely didn't know that. Yeah, man. That could be something totally for you. Give it, go research it a bit. Like maybe it's something for you. Let's see. Actually, where was I? So this did get in first. Yeah, it did. Did close above it again. Okay, so again it's bullish. Still holding as a bullish gap. We are still in the range here, swing high to swing low. And then this is reclaimed busy. Yes, does close below, but doesn't matter. Bigger time frame is still bullish. So you can mark out like optimal trade entry in here. Chill's just going to be following the trend, which is bullish here. So we'll see what we do. Looking at this smart make a buy model. Stage of accumulations there. All right, let's see. You're so good. It's like you've been trading for longer than that. Well, if I was so good, then I would already be making money. So there is something, but yeah, I'm done with like not trading my strategy and trading off of experience, thinking I know everything. Like it's just following one model now, and it's all about the consistency. Now with consistency, I've made a model. And now if I will keep using that same consistency, and then use it in live markets, eventually, because it is a profitable strategy, I will make profits out of trading. So it's all a matter of time. All right, so a huge push through here. Wow. And I'll still be bullish in here. Alright. That's already taken as well. Huge push. Still looking for longs though. Small Sibby there. Nothing here. Huge drop lower. It could be a Judas swing. I don't know. But if I would be bearish, then we have to close at issue 1 minute. So we probably won't do that. Yeah, so still looking for longs in here. Waiting. Nothing in here. And then ES obviously, yeah, still close below. But NQ is still holding this. And then in 43 minutes, then I can look for shorts if NQ also closes below. So I'm still looking for bullish prices. Huge drop lower. Still, I'm not interested in shorts. We could just take the sell side, but I'm not interested in shorts. What do you have here? Nothing here. What time is this? 11:02. Now this 1 hour candle closes below. Yes, the candle already closed below there, so now I can be looking for shorts until that sell side here, and then here as well. And then, okay, this high is taken. Did we take equalize? So, okay, we did take perfectly to perfectly equalize. This high as well, 11:02. Oh, we did already close below, so it is an entry. I don't really know about this entry, but yeah, December price action, hopefully it totally fails and it's gonna be a big loss. Just normal loss, but still. First TP, that'll be all the way to sell side there. That's first TP, so we'll see. And then break even on yes, that's gonna be right here in the open inefficiency as well. All right, let's see. Okay, that's a full loss, and then yeah, it was just a full loss. I want to see what we did after. Trade all the way higher. Like, is this I don't know. Like, that isn't really normal price action. So again, this proves to me, or not proves to me, but this just tells me like the December price action is just crazy. Like, again, rejecting this for the third time. That's actual support and resistance. I'm gonna copy this and then paste it in here as a loss. So far December is going good, which is telling me I shouldn't be trading December in the future, but who knows. This is how my kill zone. Go to the PM session. Oh, it was only AM session trading because of medium impact floor news. Go to Friday, and I will be trading this entire day. We do get a reaction off that inversion, or that, yeah, inversion there. Use as resistical lure. See in the on the next day. Oh shit, I skipped too far. All right. So eventually we do go there, and then still using that, like this retracement higher, that was like the high of the day there, or high of the day. It was just that retracement to the sell side. So eventually we did go there, but how we got there again was just way more choppy and slower than normal price action compared to other months, I would say. All right, so remove all this. That sell side is now taking a beautiful reaction off from ES here, and then again this now drawn liquidity because bigger time frame again is bullish. Do we have any singular gaps here? We do have a daily gap here, singular one, which we are holding, and then from here it's just internal to external to the buy side up here. And same thing for ES, also a daily gap, yeah, right there. All right, so yeah, looking for longs here still. What do we have in this leg? Okay, we do have a singular 30-minute in here. Is it a 30-minute one? It is. Yo, road to 1K subs. Let's go. Yeah, it's crazy actually how fast it is going. Like, honestly, sometimes I just get put on people's for you page or for you page, home page on YouTube, and it's just crazy. Like 7:17. Literally, I just checked, and it was at it was before this live stream. I checked it because when I was uploading a video, it was what at 7:14. It's only 3 people, but or only 3 for me it's a lot. Like 3 people in what is it, like 1 hour? That's crazy. And then yeah, compared to like what is it, last week I was at 600. I don't know what, but it's just crazy. All right, so this will be the inversion. And then let's see what we have on ES. Obviously, like, we are above this, but I'm just looking like what inversion could I mark out here. Would be the 1 hour in here all the way lower, or 2 hour in here. I don't think we're gonna tap this, but this just tells me, okay, inversion in this entire leg. This just tells me, okay, this is the trial liquidity. Or I want to backtest 6 years straight. Is it okay, or should I split it in each year? What do you mean, split it? If you want to backtest 6 years, then yeah, start with 1 year, and then eventually you go to 6 years. Or what do you mean? When you are planning on upgrading to a higher comment account? For now, it's just a 50K account, and like, it's just now for me, the goal is for this account to be building it slowly. Like, I don't care about anything about any profits really or any losses. I'm just trading the max amount of risk I could use, which is $285, and already I know from FX replay from the data, and it's almost a It is a objective, almost purely mechanical strategy, and I've seen from data that it is profitable. So I'm just trying to slowly build it in the challenge account as well. And then if I can pass that account, then that tells me I'm allowed or I'm able to take a payout, because those are the exact same conditions as the funded stage as compared to the combine stage, or like challenge stage. I don't know what combine really is actually, but yeah. So that's what I'm trying to do now. And once I'm actually funded and once I actually took some payouts, then I will upgrade to a higher account. Like for now, there is no reason to. Like I'm not gonna trade multiple funded accounts while I don't even know if I can actually do it. Like I do believe in myself, I really do, but like I first actually, of course, want to see me get funded, and then that gives me the confirmation. Okay, like that already would be an eye opener for me, and then that tells me, okay, I can really, it's actually possible. Like I could actually do it, and then I probably want to be, if I fail that account, if I pass the account, like by the time I've already passed that, but then I want to be risking more on challenges. Then I don't really care. Like I know the strategy works. I've seen it work. I am able to pass an account with that. Like then I don't really care about the challenge phase. I just want to get to the challenges quicker. But yeah, first the challenge account. Let's see what we do here. So yeah, bullish. Friday we had 8:30 CPI news. If we inverse this, and that's an entry because I'm bullish, which we do. It's a pretty big push though. It's pretty tight break even as well. So we trade lower. I don't know where we reacted off of, but I don't have to really know. What do we have here? We are in this gap here. Is it a singular one? I don't know. It's like a, is it 4 minute, 5 minute? Singular 5 minute, and we're still respecting it. We don't have to respect it, but still. That's the open inefficiency. That will be the break even. First TP minimum of 1 or 2 inside of A1 or 3. This is not even first TP, which is low hanging fruit. Looking at this mark my buy model. First actual draw on liquidity is already taken as well, which would be all the way up here. That's not inside of A1 or 3, I think. No, it's going to be fixed 1 or 2 then. And then this will be final TP. Alright, that's a break even. Oh, not even allowed to go break even. That's a break even trade. Alright, break even. And then what did it do? It did prevent me, not yet actually. It did prevent me from getting fully stopped. So again, looking at this looks like crazy price action again in December. Like what do we do? Like this should send price lower. We close above it, totally close above it, have like a failed swing higher, and then we go all the way lower. Like not even tapping in a wick, or like I don't know, that's just crazy December price action again, in my opinion. But yeah, still like a break-even trade, that's fine. That'll be inversion, copy the link, and then that'll be on a Friday. So far it's looking good on or what is it, in December. Like so far I'm in drawdown, which I like in December. Then I can make a conclusion of not trading December ever in the future. Going to the next day, that will be Tuesday. Fomc. Alright, so Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, and we have high impact folder news. Okay, so what do we have? Like, look at this. What is this? Oh, okay, we do have an SMT. That is okay then. Wait, well, it's not even a draw on liquidity. Okay, we do have an SMT. That's good. Like I was saying, that would have been crazy with all DC quiets here, but we do have an SMT, so that's good. Let's see what the draw on liquidity is. So still bigger time frame is bullish for me. Still I would say this is strong liquidity, but we do trade lower, and then again we are in a singular gap, which is on the daily, and yeah, it would still be bullish. Just looking at this, yeah, NQ as well, it's still inside of the singular gap, even though we are all the way here. I still have to look for bullish price in this. Could mark out optimal trade entry in here to just give more of like an indication where we are in this leg. Yeah, still looking for longs, so we'll see. Huge drop though. I don't know what this is. This is on a Monday. We had no news and we dropped on Monday with this amount of volume, which is crazy. But yeah, let's see. So this is gonna be it's gonna be a funny one. And on Friday I did look for, what did I look for? I was looking for I don't even remember. Oh yeah, I was looking for longs, right? Yeah, that's good. Because Friday, when it's at the high of the week or low of the week, then I should be looking for bullish price. If it's at the high of the week, if it's at the low of the week, then I should be looking for bearish price. But we weren't at the high of the week. We're still respecting the bullish buy. So yeah, still looking for longs in here. Like just looking at this market structure, there's nothing really on the left for me. So I'm just looking at this, and we'll see. 8:30 news, which PPI, we'll see. So far, a nice push. Could be a Judas swing. Who knows? Just playing on price, still looking for higher prices. So far, huge up higher or pump higher. That could be part of the Judas swing still. Still looking for longs though. Okay, we did close above here, 1022. We did take the opening range low here. And then we do have an SMT at the opening range low. So this would, I think that looks pretty alright. That's the inversion. That's the entry. That's the stop. That's the break even. 1 and 2. That's first TP. Oh. I'm on the lane. What's up, man? Thank you for subscribing. December price session is quite difficult. I took 4 straight losses and 2 wins to break even. Yeah, December price session is just crazy for me as well. That's what I've seen already from a bit of data. And yeah, the goal for me is with this account or with this session is I want to backtest. Like I've already done 3 years of backtesting for only August and December, because I've already seen from a bit of data that my strategy doesn't perform so well in these months. So yeah, this is like the results of this so far. And still, it's now from the data, it's positive, but I still don't like it. Like I don't like the price. I want to be a major drawdown, and then I can make the conclusion, okay, I'm not ever trading December and August price action again because it's that terrible. So far, August is good, but December is still like nah. And yeah, because I want to do this eventually full time, I want to get data on this which tells me I should never ever trade this. And then yeah, I'm not ever trading that again that month. I could be taking that entire month off. I could be trading another asset. I could be trading another session. I don't know that yet, but yeah, that's what I want with this data. So this is the entry. That's the break even. Break even on yes, not even on year. Like I can't even mark it out. And then the first TP, we'll see what we do. That's break even. And it's a break even trade. And it doesn't really look strange here. This really doesn't look strange. Like probably equilibrium or something in here. This doesn't look so strange. So that's all right. That's just a break even trade. Here. All right, and then what time is this? 10:47. It would still be in the right time. And then this daily, we are still in this, but yeah, we didn't close below this yet, so that's the reason why I can't be looking for longs. We're still inside of that gap, or why I can't be looking for shorts, and I'm still bullish in this. So if we are just dropping lower, that's totally fine. That my strategy should prevent me of taking or catching a falling knife in this. Which we'll see if that actually happens, but we'll see. I'm not interested in shorts, only looking for long still. And I don't need to see a huge push, like just a small leg would already be fine. This is how my kill zone now though, so go to the PM session. A lot of chop in here. And it could be like a small long into here, like we have to see here. Waiting for more structure, okay. Again, still looking at like the 1 minute, like the 50-minute isn't going to tell me anything different here, so that's why I'm just looking at the 1 minute. And then I know, looking at optimal trade entry, there's nothing in between for me here. I already looked at the 4-hour lows, which I have to mark out. That will also mean, like if you take a 4-hour low, then I have to take at least like a 5-minute, or have to wait for a 5-minute low to get taken then, and then I can looking for a trade. But so far, it's just still looking at the price action, at the structure. Let's see what we have. Nothing here. Waiting. Dropping lower. It could be a trade now if you inverse that gap. And then I mean this one. Nothing here yet. Now we get a push higher. I would take the sell side here, but they take equal lows, 13.58. But I have to wait 5 minutes at least. Like if it's 13.55, I have to wait until the 4-hour candle opening, which is here at 2 p.m. So actually I'm allowed to take this then. So this low took out equal lows, yes. Yeah, and the target where I'll be break even is not yet hit. So this is my entry. So far I can already see, because I skipped too far from this candle, that it's looking okay. But it could change literally on the next candle after. But it is an entry which I have to take. That's closure above. That's the inversion. Alright. And then that's a stop. And then we took out the equal lows here. This looks also really zoomed in, but it's just looking at internal structure. And then probably like my TP is going to be here. Exactly, almost exactly. Minimum of 1 and 2, so it's going to be literally 1 tick higher. And that'll be a fixed 1 and 2 as first TP. And then I let a runner go, which I don't think it will go that far, but it will be a fixed 1 to 3.5. Because I'm looking at stages of accumulation in this market make a buy model. This would be full TP if it's sideways 1 to 8, which it isn't. So it's going to be a 3.5 full TP. And then, it's going to be entry. And then break even on, and break even is going to be here, which is it's all balanced. There's no open inefficiency, so it'll be a fixed 1 to 1. That'll be my break even. It's right there, or just a bit higher actually. That's my break even, and then I don't look at this target. It has to be at least 1 to 2, and that'll be there. Don't know if this is gonna hit. Again, the summer price session could do anything, but yeah, we'll see. That's break even. Oh, and that's first TP. So nice. 75% off. So again, this would be a good run in December, which I don't like. Like I want to have bad price action in this. And then 3.5 fixed TP because the drawn liquidity is just too far realistically. So it's going to be a 1 to 3.5 full TP. And stops are break even. I just let this run. I don't care about what we do here. So we'll see. And that's it. All right. So that's a beautiful trade. So what is this? I could just mark this out. 2.1 and 2 are 75% off here. Base like on the top and center. And then 3.5, that's right here. Alright, 3.5 full TP. Or 3.5 RR. Alright, beautiful. Yeah, and that was it. So copy link. This is a crazy run, but yeah. What day is this? This is a Tuesday. Alright. Oh, alright. And that'll be that day. Let's see what we did after with the price action here. Oh, that's almost the time my kill zone anyway. We go even higher, crazy. Okay. So let's see what I'll be looking for the next day, which you have FOMC statement. So I'm trading after FOMC, which is after 2 p.m. So I'm skipping until the PM session and then skipping, yeah, after 2 p.m. So waiting here, that's FOMC, right? Oh, what's up, Bex? I mean, you could try being maybe more specific with the trades you take August and December and just trade A++ setups, right, to increase your win rate in those months in August and December. Like, that's the thing. Like, I'm only trading, like, if I really knew, like, it doesn't really make sense to me because I could be thinking it's A++ setup and then it doesn't work. And sometimes, a lot of times, there are setups which I think, yeah, this is not going to work. And then it works. Like, that's the thing. If I knew what exactly was, like, what trading would exactly be like, then yeah, it would make sense. But for me, it's the opposite actually. So like with the winner here, like I don't really know this was gonna work, but it did. And then what was it? There was another one. Oh, that was the one which I shouldn't have taken. But it's so many times where I think, yeah, it's not gonna be a good trade, and then it's a good trade. And times where I think, yeah, this is A++, like this is definitely A++, and then it doesn't work out. Like that's the thing. When you started trading, did you start with IC and trend lines like most of us? I started trading with support and resistance, but I was lucky enough to only trade that for 1 month. So I traded that for 1 month, then traded how TGR trades. I don't know if you know TGR, but I traded the way he trades for like 4 months. And then after that, I switched to ICT because I wanted to know more. I wanted to find the golden nugget, which of course there isn't in trading, but I really thought there was. So I thought, okay, if I'm going to put in the work and watch every IC video, I'm going to find something that someone else isn't going to find. And then I literally watched all of IC. 2022, 2023, 2024 I didn't because that's new. But the Forex series, the Sniper series, literally everything, of course, didn't find a golden egg there. And then I just, like I found out, okay, I have to actually like create a model. Like what? Like I have to start trading now. Like I was just stuck in like the learning phase and just keep on learning, but I wasn't actually trading. So I was just only getting knowledge, but I wasn't getting the experience in. So then I just started, okay, I just need to paper trade. I just need to trade something. And then I was doing that. And then I found out, okay, I actually need a model because I can trade off experience. Like I thought I knew everything. Like I know, oh yeah, that's an order block. That's a variety gap. That's an inversion. But that doesn't make sense if you don't have a model. Like you could be trading anything. You need a model. And that's just what I found out. And that's what I'm doing now. Just trading one model, nothing else. Only doing that. Yeah. Do you have a Notion document that contains all the rules for when you trade? I have it in my what is it? My notepad, or what do you call it? Like here, and then literally all of these pages are like full. So I have every rule I have in here, and then I created like a what is it? Like a Google document as well. And then here as well, here, this one, like if I see something and then I need to backtest it, and first I need to see something and then actually make it a rule. Like what could be an example, like something like a forced inversion or a forced gap. Like I really like that, like when a leg is balanced, for example. I don't know if I can find a example in this, yeah, probably not, but I put it in here. Like that's something I saw, and then I was going to school with like the bus, and then in the bus I was just on my phone and then looking at the charts, like what do I notice, and then I just write it in here right away, and then something I backtest, and then I do it from there. And then if it actually is a rule, then I'm gonna write it down, or eventually I put it in a Google Doc, which I don't know where it is actually. Oh, here. I don't know what all this is, but yeah, I put it in here. Like all my rules are in here. And then some things, like I just did this on the top of my head. Was it like last week? And what is it now? Like if there are some things I didn't write there, then I'm gonna, like if I remember it, oh yeah, I need to write it down, or write it down there right away. Are you sharing that for free, bro? I mean, Notion for journal. Yeah, you can, if you want this, like anything you want here. Like also, I'm gonna make a video on this one because this is something I made, and this is really nice if you really use it for journaling. I use journaling now, like trade recaps, but this is really nice, like W. And then let's say you took a winning trade on this, you took one trade, and then all this, like time zone, time frame entry, what news was there, did we had no news, like all this, and then like you were up, like what is it, like $500 on a day. And then you can see here win, and then this is like NQ, and then you see like, oh, NQ was a win, and it was plus what is it, like 0.5%. Then you can see here 0.5%, and this goes up as well. So you could track this here, and then I don't know if an example because I don't really use this anymore. But then it looks like this, and then unemployment claims, was there news? Yes. Did you follow rules? 8:30 news. I'm gonna make a video about, but also I will share it. And then this you can just if you want it, then I can share it in Discord. Makes sense. Well, I had exactly the same when backtesting it. So yeah, that month is just crazy. But I want to actually make a conclusion out of it. Like if my data tells me that it's still right to trade, then like I'm not gonna ignore data. Like I'm not ignoring, like I'm not following my feelings. I'm following actual data. You're so lucky, man. I waste my time with trend lines for 1 year and 6 months. I only discovered IC. Yeah, I would really say I'm lucky with that. Like trend lines, I really don't know how to trade that, and yeah, it probably would work for people. Like I think there actually, of course, are people that trade trend lines, but for me, it wouldn't make any sense. And I'm just glad I found a strategy right away that just fits me and makes sense to me. Yo, Netmar, what's up, man? How are you? Would you share your Google Docs with all the rules? Yeah, of course, man. Yeah, of course. It's yeah. I will also share it if you. I also share it in Discord if you want. Let's see, what would I actually be looking for here? So Wednesday we had FOMC. Okay, what is my bias? So I think it's bearish. No. Okay, so again, like this daily candle, this could just be a wick, and we could just expand all the way higher because we're still respecting. I'm not looking for shorts. Then here as well, we're still respecting it, so it's still bullish for me, even though we're at the the bottom here. We have not taken the sell side here, so I think that's what I'm thinking. Like we should at least go here and then maybe even trade lower. Like I think it's bear time for bearish, but I have to look for bullish prices. We also inverse this, so that looks pretty good actually. Really small gap, but this gap until the swing high here, there's nothing in here. This is balanced. Only this gap here, which okay, we close above. We use that support, so this tells me okay, we should go to the buy side up here, and then for ES we should also go to the buy side up here, which that exact same high, and then probably ES will already do it because ES looks more bullish, but still it's bullish after that, so I'm still going to be looking for longs. And then that buy side would be here for NQ. All right, so yeah, FOMC, most of the time what I've already seen, like my bias is correct, but we just bump into the buy side. Will this be the same? That's already taken. Like most of the time I just don't get an entry. Okay, do trade lower. 14:30 is what I have to wait for because we have FOMC meeting minutes, or like what is it, press conference 2:30. So that's right here. So now I can trade again. So now I'm looking for more structure. And yeah, again, like I was looking for more structure, but just no entry, just straight up pump there, which is totally fine. Like that makes sense also. And then this just outside my kill zone, which is fine. Go to the next day, which will be Thursday. And Thursday we have only AM session trading because we have medium impact folder news, and then Friday no trading because we have medium impact folder news on a Friday, which I don't trade. Medium impact folder news on a Friday, and like this is exactly what I meant. Like look at that. Like we are, like you could say just looking at this, right? If I just go back here, like this looks bearish. Like yeah, I think we're gonna go lower. Like this looks so clear to me, we're gonna go lower. Look at these equal lows, and then this daily is still respecting. My strategy tells me okay, we should still be bullish because we are respecting the gap. We didn't close below it, and what do we do next day? We take even the buy side up there, which is crazy. Look at that. And now we took out the equal lows. So again, that's just beautiful. And let's eat all-time highs on yes as well, which is crazy. Now I think we're gonna go, oh yeah, no, again, like look, we now took the buy side. I think we're gonna go lower, but also this tells me we're gonna go lower because we closed below here, so that's good. So yeah, that's nice now. And then the drawn liquidity, that'll be here, and then here, or wait, actually we are still respecting the gap on, yeah, oh no, so still it's still bullish, like still looking for longs. Doesn't mean like, again, I think we're gonna go back here. I do think we're gonna go lower now to this here, which again I could be wrong, but I don't think I'm wrong now. Like that'd be insane. But I could just catch a small long into like some of this buy side here, and that's totally fine already. Like I don't have to catch and know the daily buys, weekly buys for it to be a winning trade. It could just be a small small scalp, or just not too much of a push. So we'll see. Looking at structure, we don't really have equal lows or clean lows here, and then there's nothing in between this price action and this here. So only looking at the sell side here. Am I actually? Oh, we do have this low here as well, which will be a stage accumulation in this market maker sell model. So I will mark this out. All right, so let's see. And then on ES here, we do have an SMT to low. I still think we're gonna go higher, so we'll see. Just looking for longs. Crazy push. We have taken a buy side here, and now we have an SMT to highs as well. Doesn't matter. I'm still looking for longs, which I don't like, but I have to. And then what do we have here? We have a stage accumulation here as the next target then. And then here as well. We'll see what we do. So nothing here. Waiting. Wow, what a push. 2 minute, wasn't anything in here. 2 minutes, we did take a low here. Oh, equal lows actually. This would be an entry, and then my break even would already be, would it be on here? Would be on here. So I'm not gonna take it, because I think it will be break even because just the stop is that big. And our first TP will be a minimum of 1 or 2, which is stage accumulation again. Should that be stage accumulation? And then are there any other? I don't think there is. So it's going to be a fixed 1 and 2 because there's no other target. And then I think it's going to be break even. So that's why I won't take it. If it's a loss, and I'm already at break even. Oh, I have to take it then. Like it could only be a winner or a break even. Or if it's a break even, doesn't matter. But still, I already went back. But that was 2 minute closure. And then we don't have any high impact folder news. No, I know that. So take out equal lows there. here, right there in this candle. And then on ES we are way lower actually, but again, I have to take this. Not really moving in tandem, which again I don't like. We'll see. 1 or 2 first TP, and then this already break even. And then break even on ES, that was right here, which we of course on NQ already did. This break even trade. What did we do after? And did prevent me from getting fully stopped, so that's good. Copy link. Wait, what? I'm trading on Friday. Thought it was trading Thursday. Did I already trade Thursday? Oh. Wait, did I skip that or? I think I traded this already. Thursday 9 there. Because I wouldn't, like what I said, I'm not trading the Friday where we have medium impact folder news, because I've seen most of the time that's just a choppy day. Most of the time, doesn't always have to be, but most of the time. And then I see we have a huge drop lower after this, but still, like now we inverse this or use this as a BISI. So for me, this is now just bullish, like for me, bullish here. And then we took all-time highs, and then for me, there's no reason to look for lower price when we are just at all-time highs. We are just in a trending market. Still looks really bullish to me. I know that market did drop after, which I already saw, but still, it's just looking for bullish prices. Now it'd only be bearish if we, let's see, 1 hour, 2 hour. If we close below this, and then I'll be looking for shorts until the low here and here, which by the time we've probably already taken a low there. So it's just looking for bullish prices, and if we just keep continuing lower, I'm not interested in shorts, so that would be totally fine. Just looking at this structure, skipping until 9:30 though. That's right there. Let's see what we have. I think this is just a really bearish day. Nothing here. Yeah, that's where there already goes. Nothing here. No. Just looking at the internal structure. Nothing here. No. ES taking equal lows. No. And it's only AM session trading because of medium impact folder news on this Thursday. So yeah, again, my setup doesn't form, which would prevent me of catching a falling knife in this. So that's good. And then after 11:15, that's outside my kill zone. So now I'll just close the day here and then go to Friday, which I'm not trading because of medium impact folder news on a Friday. Go to the next day, and then I'll be trading Wednesday again. But I'm gonna end the session here because I have to go in like, well, literally 6 minutes. Wait, let me check. Yeah, literally 6 minutes. I have to catch a train. So yeah, where did I end the session? I think I ended the session in drawdown on December, which I like, which is good. Yeah, so minus 0.34%, which is alright. I took one winning trade, which, like, again, restored most of the drawdown here. But that's just one winning trade. Otherwise, I'll be in more drawdown, which I like even more. Yeah, gonna end it here. Yo, Jimmy, what's up, man? 17 people watching. Yeah, crazy. Now 15, but crazy still. I see dropping a 2025 mentorship. I saw the video that he uploaded. I didn't watch it fully. Like, it was 6 or 8 minutes, but he was sharing like broker statements. I saw, but I don't know. But I'm gonna watch that first video. I'm not gonna watch the 2025 probably, because I thought about unsubscribing to ICT as well and then unfollowing him on everything. Like, I really appreciate that everything he did and everything that he teached, but just him and the Robbins Cup, like, I don't like people that lie totally in your face, and then like he made it seem like, yeah, it's gonna be on top. Like, I was pretty convinced in like the early months of January. Like, I thought he really was gonna win, and then he said it all the time, I'm gonna win, like, don't worry, and then he totally lost. Like, he wasn't anywhere near anything what he said. Like, I don't like people that lie that hard. Like, it's crazy. But I appreciate everything that he did and he put together with the concepts, but that's just crazy to me. But yeah, yo, trading NQ Futures, I haven't seen you in a time, man. Hope all is going well, bro. How's trading going? Locking in those payouts. Sorry, I've been MIA. What's that? But I'm still trading that challenge account, so still on that one challenge account for I've been on there for like 3 months now, which is totally fine for me. Like, I'm just slowly building that, and then yeah, the goal is for me to, if I pass that account, that tells me I can do it the same in the funded challenge, in the funded stage. So I'm still trading that account, and yeah. How are you, man? I do need to go though, so I have to go in 4 minutes now. hopefully we catch up later at Confucius. But thank you for stopping by, man. And then yeah, 13 people total watching. Then thank you, Vito. Good night, man. Thank you for watching. Jimmy then as well. Thank you for watching. Netminer, thank you for watching. Oh, Titan, you said something about trading the same model. What did you mean by this? I trade one specific model. I'm not trading anything else. Like I only have one model which I'm trading and nothing else. Like if my setup forms, which is just one setup every time, then I take it and nothing else. That's what I mean with that. And then Watcherada, thank you as well for watching. I will share it in the Discord. You if you can remind me, I can just send it in private. Like that would be better. Damn, you guys did so much. Where can I find it? If you just ping me on Discord, like at the Quayo on Discord, then I'll share it. Good night. Enjoy the rest of the evening. You guys as well, or have a good day. Don't know where you guys live, but thank you everyone. Honestly, see you, Garampo. Guess your trade. Yeah, see you guys. Thank you guys. Honestly, see you.